and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another snack review, another food review, where we usually try something different, something new. Today we're trying a little snack. It is Halloween time, so there's all these different fall flavors of food and spooky flavored things, have green in it, that, different coloring, different things like that for the Halloween season. I'm going to try the Nerds Gummy Clusters. It's spooky! These are the spooky Nerd Gummy Clusters. Spooky Nerds Gummy Clusters. Spooky Nerds Gummy Clusters. Whoa, spooky! So, I've not had gummy clusters before, I've not had Nerds Gummy Clusters before, so I'm not for sure how these will taste, to be honest, but I'm not for sure exactly what makes them spooky either, other than the coloring. Share pouch. This is a pouch you can share with others. So, let's see how these taste like. Alright, let's take a look at one first. It's kind of hard to see there. See that cluster. So it's sweet and gummy inside, it's tangy and crunchy outside. So the Nerds part is on the outside, and the little gummy thing is on the inside. Alright, let's see how this tastes. Got that Nerds kick right there. Oh yeah. Woo! Those are tangy. So I'm not really sure. That's got a little bit of sour tang there. Tangy, it's true, it's tangy and crunchy. I'm not for sure what makes these spooky, other than the packaging and the different color on it. Different color of the Nerds. So, but, did I like these? Yes. Would I purchase these again? Yes, I would purchase Nerds Gummy Clusters again. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give these about a 6.5, I guess. 6.5. Yeah, they're pretty good. I can recommend these. Nerds Gummy Clusters. So if you're looking for something for your sweet tooth that's got a little bit of sweetness, but quite a bit of tang there, you should check them out. Well, if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.